Ula bafethu nani niyazi nihamba kanjani labo bafethu sanibona nonke emakhaya nazoke bafethu omagana nani niyazi bafethu nani niyazi sayenza lento bafethu abafethu nami ngimenya ngazi lokhuluma ngani bafethu
Akukathi ukuthi une topic for as long ungekho ukhulume ngeCovid-19 because abantu baqayekile asifuni ukubathusa even more wonke umuntu uyazi ukuthi iCovid-19 iyini asifuni ukuba stressa even more
le topic igrand first igrand yabo and futhi igcwele kakhulu kulusha kodwa abantu abadala vele ngangibona basebe basayadlala WhatsApp itopic namhlanje ngo WhatsApp bafethu mina bafethu all over bethu abafuni appreciate bafethu ukuthi umuntu ukuthanda kangakanani indaba thina bo out futhi singapost amathekeni nje bafethu why kwenziwa yini umbuzo out okay asiqale sibuze la uyayipost itombi yakho
imbuzo wami ke ukuthi isiphi izathu omele ngiposte
mfethu appreciate ukuthi uyamthanda umuntu wakho mfethu
so kufanele ngitshengise ngokuthi ngimpost ukuze ezobona ukuthi ngiyamthanda
no mfethu kunezinto mfethu emhlabeni mfethu simele si-accept mfethu ukuthi mfethu umuntu umekuthanda uyakuthanda hayi kwamadlana
mfethu awumeke mfethu umuntu momthanda utshengisa ukuthi umpost
no it doesn't need to umpost ungakhela nomuntu for 5 years kodwa la umposta khona ukhombisa ukuthi you appreciate ukuthi kahle kahle wena mfethu ngathini uyabonga ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukugayidile yena ukuthandele
mina mfethu mina ziningi indlela zokutshengisa ukuthi uyamthanda so nawe Africa eyakhe indlela yokuthi mhlawumbe umpost mina hayi akuhambi kanjani
yazi futhi intombazane ijabula kanjani mfethu appreciate ukuthi futhi uyipostile yazi ijabula kanjani intombazane ukuthi inesithombe sakho efonini yakho
ayikho inkinga into engithanda ukupost umuntu uyamenza slim umpost emase uyamhide uyayibona ukuthi uside status wabanye abantu
wena usukhombisa into oyenzayo phone yakho that's not right
mina ngisho ukuthi mfethu akusile ukuthi ujabulela ukuthi uyakupost uyayibona lento leyo ekubeni engakwazi ukuside status uyayibona lento leyo
ngicela uphinde ngibuze intwana uyayiposta yini intombi yakho appreciate ukuthi uyayithanda na
akumpost mfethu
why usho ukuthi appreciate ukuthi
ngimtshengisa ngezinye indlela ukuthi ngiyam appreciate mina
njengahlamba ngajabula la mhlambe namantombazana ngajabula
lutho mfethu ngimtshengisa ngezinye indlela ukuthi ngiyam appreciate hayi ngokumposta yebo lento leyo
sitshene phela eziphingi
yebo lento leyo awunendlela zami into
hey yo what's going on man I go by the name of Claude man you know what's happening man hey yo African man you know me like I wouldn't post my ladies, man. Like, if I had to post a lady, I'm gonna like make a comment, like, or say maybe like she's my cousin or friend or my sister. Like, I wouldn't like post my lady, cause like I got a lot of ladies on my phone, like fucking hey. So like, if I had to post a lady or my lady, it's gonna be a big. It's gonna block like most of my. So hey man, it's too bad man. Shout out to Eno man, Umakale TV. We out man, what's up?
Right, the reason why you don't post him on social media, number one, is life changes. What if you break up and then you have to explain to people? The more you put out on social media, the more explaining you need to do. The more you keep things to yourself, the less explaining you need to do. So shut your mouth and keep your business to you. Private is private, guys. Public is public. Just keep your... Mina, that's what I say. For me, for you, that's what I say.
So yeah, my poster ufila kanjani? Awunankinga.
There's nothing
wrong.
How
do you feel?
There's nothing wrong because we're not hiding. You can, but it's not compulsory. If uthanda, you can. If awuthandi, it's fine. Because
ngiyabonga K-Africa no Emo there. I don't literally post my girlfriend on my social networks because I use my social networks for my personal use. I don't like making my relationship to be public because these are my problems. Also, the public will be able to comment because I made it public. On my social networks, I use it to advertise myself, to advertise my business. I'm trying to connect with many people. I'm doing networking with social networks, and also I don't mind being posted by my girlfriend on his social network. The decision yake.
Hey, Killer Africa, no in. Say nyam fethu mina ngipost ku WhatsApp. Say nyam sikafika mfethu kumina iluka i-fresh namfethu abangilu i-fresh namfethu. Angipost nje nyam yangiphoxa kabi phethe yangiphoxa serious. Yake mina ubheka ukuthi kukhona mfethu ama-perfume o-R20 lawa anuka ama-tags leyo sheze inukelwa yona izofuthi i-air fresh mfethu cabanga la baby.
K-Africa and Innocent, I would post my boyfriend on WhatsApp because you need to know Pelaguti. That's my man's. That's mine. What I'm trying to say is, it's my boyfriend. And I personally feel like everyone should know that. Otherwise, I'm giving other people the chance to go after him. And you know, nowadays, can't really trust even your mans. You can't trust him. Okay, let's be serious. What I'm trying to say is, if I do not label my boyfriend as mine and make it publicated, he will be taken. You will find skanks out for him, like, you know. So you need to like put a stamp on him, like that, just so they know that they know that he's yours.
Sure, inontwana. Cha, yayizwa le question yakho ntwana. Ulungelo lo washanda isibongo. Cha, mina ethekeni yami kuyenzeka ngiposte, kuyenzeka ngingayipost. But ekuyiposteni kwami suke ngiposte nje ngivuselela uthando sometimes, yabona, noma mhlambe kwenzeke ngincengele monguthi khona la singabonanga khona kahle bese ngithi mama ngimfake la ukuze abone ukuthi ubaluleke kangakanani. If engipostile anginankinga, ngiyajabula, kuyangithokozisa lokho.
Africa and Innocent, I would not post my boyfriend on WhatsApp because I don't see the need for everybody to know my business. As long as I know, it's okay. As long as I know and the people that I am surrounded by, because I keep my circle small, because I feel like, you know, I only need the people that I can count on and the people that I can trust and the people that I need surrounded around me instead of having all those. So as long as I know and the people that around me know, there's no need for the whole world to know.
Yabo, I see ngicabanga ukuthi inkinga enkulu yenza ukuthi abafana beyakwazi ukuposta abantu babo because most yabo uthola ukuthi mhlambe banomuntu oseceleni manje ba-avoida ukuthi lo muntu osibili athole ukuthi uyacheata lo, yabo, it's mostly cheat. Enye i-reason unothola ukuthi mhlambe yabo abangani kwabafana banomkhubo ukuthi bezofuna umuntu wakho because yabo mhlambe ungcono, mhlambe uyabo muhle na yonke leyo nto. So maybe bemposta bona balebele bembona, yabo, bazomfuna. So I think abanye basuke bemfihla ukuthi hayi ngiyamfihla ahlale eduze yabo yonke leyo nto. I think basuke bemfihla most, then abanye ke basuke bemfihla from intombi, abanye basuke bemfihla from umngane. And mina as umfana ngingamposta because I don't think if umuntu uthandana naye kufanele umfihle. I think kufanele umthembe. If ukuthi abanye abafana bamfuna, it's fine, uyena kodwa kufanele decide ukuthi uwenze njani, ukumthemba nje. Yabo isimple indaba le. So khamba ngomuntu.
Sure, boy, ngiyanizwa ukuthi ngithini, yabo lo nto. So the only reason why I'm post umuntu wami, it's one thing. It's just that I'm not quite too sure ukuthi a relationship will last. No, no. So lezo zinto lezo. And the only any reason ukuthi sometimes angifuni ukuthi abantu bazi private life yami about relationship wise. You know lo. That's why ngingamposti. But inhliziyo ngiyangipostile uyazi naye. Kodwa yena uyangiposta ke ko Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Twitter kuyapost? Angazi phela. Yeah man, ngimposti but uyangiposta. With your boy Diabulem. Catch me kungenzeka na ku TV.